Good morning, everyone. So, my name is Teacher Lynn N. Quijano, but you can call me Teacher Lynn. What's my name again? Okay, very good. So, before we start our lesson, let's have first a prayer. Make sign of the cross. Angel of God, my guardian dear, to whom God's love commits me. Ever this day be at my side, to light and guide, to rule and guard. Amen. Okay, again, good morning, students. Okay, how are you today? That's great. Teacher also is fine. So, before we start our formal discussion, let's have first a classroom rules. So, our classroom rules starts with STAR. S means stay focused. So, when teacher is discussing, you should listen. Next is T, try your best. So, in my discussion, you should participate. So you should try your best in participating. Next is always be present. So teacher doesn't like the students are being absent. So you should always be present. Next is respect yourself and others. Also, you should respect teacher and your classmates. Is that clear, students? Very good. By the way, is there any absentees for today? Okay, very good. So no one is absent for today. Okay, so today I will show you pictures. So a pictures of what's this class? What did you observe in the picture? Okay, so the picture shown is a part of a pizza. So a pizza is sliced into 8 slices and one is being pulled. So pizza is divided into eight slices and it is counted as the one part that is being pulled. It is 1/8. So what do you think is our discussion for today? Very good. So our topic for today is about fraction. At the end of the lesson, you must have attained the following objectives. First, identify the numerator and denominator. Next, shaded the part of the fraction that is equal to the given fraction number. Last, explicate the importance of the numerator and denominator. So I guess you are all ready to learn about our topic for today. So our topic is entitled fraction. So spell the word fraction. Okay, very good. So fraction is Fraction. So fraction. So kindly read the definition of fraction. Okay, thank you. So the word fraction is actually comes from the Latin word fractio. So fraction represents the equal parts of a whole by dividing up into equal partitions. Each fraction has a numerator and denominator. So the number above the line is the numerator and the lower part is the denominator. So for example, you have 4 slices of cake and your friend wants a slice of cake. So how will you going to share your cake in a fair way? Okay, very good. So you will divide the 4 slices into 2, so it will become 2 over 4. So the fraction is 2 over 4. So from the given example, 2 over 4, so 2 is the numerator. So numerator is the top number of a fraction. So it is in the upper part of the fraction. The lower part is 4. So denominator. So it's the denominator. So it represents the total number of parts of the whole that has been divided in 2. So for example is 4. So you have the 4 slices of cake. So it means that it is the total number of parts. So I have here an example. So this one is very good, 1/2. Next is, okay, very good, 1/4. And next, okay, 3/4. So very good. So when a fraction doesn't have a denominator, does it is it still called a fraction or not? Okay, class, when it doesn't have a denominator or numerator, it is not called fraction. So a fraction is composed of numerator and denominator. Did you get me? Okay, very good. So how can we represent fraction? So fraction can be represented of number lines, strip diagrams, or a picture. So as shown in my examples. How fractions are used in real life situation. Okay, so fraction is used for a representation of equal parts of a whole body. For example, we are baking. We need 2/3 of a cup of sugar for the cake. So I guess you already learned about our topic. So let's have first a activity. So kindly read the mechanics. Okay, very well said. You can start now. Are you done, class? So now let's have first a assessment. So kindly get 1/4 sheet of paper and write the missing equivalent value of each fraction and identify if it is a numerator or denominator. Did you get me? That's all for today. God bless.